In my last video, I have explained commonly used 5 very important neural networks. In this video, I will explain the other must-know neural networks. Let me start with autoencoder. It is an unsupervised neural network that learns to compress data and reconstruct it. It has 3 parts: encoder, bottleneck, and decoder. Why do we need it? It is used for dimensionality reduction and noise removal. What are the useful hidden features in autoencoder? Unlike others, output tries to recreate input here. It learns efficient representation. Some real-life examples are image denoising, data compression, fraud detection, anomaly systems, etc. The next neural network is Generative Adversarial Network, GAN. It consists of two networks, generator and discriminator. They compete with each other. Generator creates fake data. Discriminator checks real and or real versus fake. Why do we need this? It is used to generate realistic images, audio, video, and synthetic data. What is the unique feature in this neural network? Unlike prediction model, GAN creates brand new content. The real-time example would be AI-generated faces, deep fake videos, image enhancement, etc. Let me talk about next neural network that is called transformer neural network. It uses self-attention mechanism instead of recurrence. It processes all words in parallel and understands relationships. Why we need it? RNNs are slow and especially for long text. Transformers are faster and more accurate. Unique feature in this is parallel processing plus attention mechanism. This powers modern AI systems. Real-time example is ChatGPT, Google Translate, AI summarization tool, etc. The next one is radial basis function network, RBF. It uses radial basis activation functions. It measures similarities between input and stored centers. It is good for interpolation and function approximation. Its unique feature is that it focuses on distance from center points. It is different from standard weighted neurons. Real-time example is pattern recognition, signal processing, and control systems. The last one is self-organizing map, SOM. It is an unsupervised neural network that maps high-dimensional data into lower-dimensional grids. Why do we need it? It is used for clustering and visualization. Uniqueness in this neural network is that unlike classification networks, it organizes similar data automatically. Some example is customer segmentation, market analysis, data visualization, etc. In my next video, I will explain which neural network to use and when. Do share like and subscribe this video. Thank you for watching.